Good evening, and thank you to each and every one of you for joining us today. My name is Arif Mimtaz, and I'm the Magnet Coordinator at Pompano Beach High School. Highlighted in U.S. News and World Report school rankings, Pompano Beach High School is one of the most respected public education institutions not only in Broward County, but also in the nation. Tonight, we will start our presentation with a brief video, and then you will hear from our school's leadership team. At the end of our presentation, we will have a question and answer session. Please enjoy our Magnet Showcase, and thank you once again for joining us this evening.
Nestled between the Atlantic Ocean and crop farmlands was a single building where graduating seniors of the class of 1928 probably never imagined their school almost a century later. The spirit of Pompano Beach High is conveyed by the entire school community as they embrace the shared vision of academic excellence, global vision, and an unlimited future. It's heralded for its outstanding academic record, visionary application of technology, and global outreach. The students of Pompano Beach High School are honored for their achievements in technology, the arts, debate, JROTC, and athletics. Students are recognized for being outstanding leaders within a diverse population where all achievements are acknowledged and all interests can be pursued in a safe and engaging atmosphere. There is a focus on public service as well as individual care. As one student puts it, at Pompano, you can always find a friend. Pompano Beach High School honors tradition while advancing into the future, supported by the guidance of encouraging faculty, staff, and administrators who make the success of every student their personal focus. At Pompano Beach High School, the future is unlimited. In the words of a Pompano Beach High graduate, I received an exceptional academic foundation. But most importantly, my teachers had unyielding faith in my abilities and pushed me to become the best version of me.
Good afternoon, and welcome to our open house. I am Hudson Thomas, principal of Pompano Beach High School. Thank you so much for taking the time and come and hear all that we have to offer here at Pompano Beach High School. Our theme is International Affairs with Information Technology, and everything we do is based on that. We want our students to have the best experience when they come to high school, and we have so much to offer. Our vision is academic excellence, global vision, unlimited future. And we want our students to have experiences that will help them become the best when they go out to college or to the workforce. Tonight, you'll have the opportunity to hear all that we have to offer. Again, thank you, and have a great experience here at Pompano Beach High School.
Hello, I'm Lisa Spencer, intern principal right here at Pompano Beach High School, home of the Golden Tornadoes. We are a national magnet school of excellence, and we are excited about your being here. Our aim is to make sure that your students develop the skills that they need to be competitive in the global community, and they become good citizens and lifelong learners. Our hope is that your child's future will be brighter because they attend Pompano Beach High School. Thank you for being here.
Hello, and welcome Prospective Golden Tornadoes. I am Natalie Visosa, the School Counseling Director. Your decision to attend Pompano Beach High School is one that will have an everlasting impact. As a Golden Tornado, you get the opportunity to a very unique high school experience. We have a philosophy here at Pompano Beach, and that is to teach the whole student. And when I say the whole student, I mean the academic needs, the social emotional needs, and the exploration for career. The magnet academic requirements at Pompano Beach are rigorous, and they will challenge you, but at the same time, you will be building a competitive transcript. Your magnet requirements will exceed the state graduation requirements. Our rigorous options in every subject area include AP Psychology, AP Capstone, AP Chinese, and AP Drawing. Our students have the opportunity to truly immerse and challenge themselves. We are the premier high school to offer the Pre-AP program. Pre-Advanced Placement is an endorsed curriculum through College Board which builds, strengthens, and reinforces student content knowledge and critical thinking skills. This will prepare students and build confidence when they take college-level courses. The students here at Pompano Beach strive for academic excellence. The majority of our graduates attend prestigious four-year universities. One of our graduates was accepted into the Wharton School of Business straight out of high school. Our students receive the highest recognition and accolades from National Merit Scholars, Questbridge Scholarship recipients, Seal of Biliteracy recipients, Division I and Division II athletic scholarships, and even hold leadership positions like the Florida Association of Student Council's District 6 president. When you come to Pompano Beach High School, you are not just attending any school. You become a member of the Golden Tornado family and establish meaningful connections that last a lifetime. Academic excellence with a global vision for an unlimited future. No matter what you want to pursue after high school, you have an opportunity to build a foundation. Your options are limitless here.
Hello, families and students. I'm Lori Carlson, a member of the Pompano Beach High School Counseling Department. Welcome. High school is such an exciting time for students, and we would love for you to become a part of our Golden Tornado family. We have so much to offer you over the next 4 years. I work closely with the entire incoming 9th grade class to help ease that transition from middle school. We know it can be a challenge for many students to make the necessary adjustments both academically, independently, and socially when they get to high school. Freshmen have a lot of questions, and I'm here to assist in any way I can to ensure they have the answers they need for success both in and out of the classroom. If you are a student with an individualized education plan or receive accommodations, I will be working with you throughout your time at Pompano. A key component to our 9th graders having a productive year is our PASSL program, which stands for Personalization for Academic and Social Emotional Learning. This program will be an integral part of your freshman experience and one that will provide you with foundational supports from the moment you start your classes. Our students are all assigned a PASSL teacher in their study hall period. This teacher will intentionally and routinely conduct check-ins with students about their grades, attendance, interests, and ways to get involved and provide additional supports when necessary. The mentoring piece of the PASSL program is both adult and student-led throughout the year. All 9th graders are assigned an upperclassman mentor who has gone through our selection process and had training. At the beginning of the year, our mentors meet weekly with all freshmen in both the study hall classroom as well as in large group workshops. We cover a variety of pertinent topics such as meeting new peers with common interests, improving your time management skills, study strategies for your rigorous course load, and social media use as a responsible digital citizen, just to name a few. As the year progresses, the mentoring sessions are less frequent, but continue to focus on relevant aspects of high school, such as selecting courses to take as a sophomore and how to build a resume. We also introduce college and career planning resources and complete related activities using the Naviance platform. Many of our 9th graders form friendships with their mentors that continue well after their freshman year and choose to become mentors themselves, knowing the benefits of the program. We believe in the PASSL program and recognize the impact it has on our entire student body. We look forward to you learning more information about Pompano Beach High this evening. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Mr. Hawley. I'm the Department Head of Technology here at Pompano Beach High School. I wanted to welcome you and let you know a little bit about the 4 tracks that we offer here. Track 1 is International Business and Accounting. Want to own your own business? Then this track is for you. Here, you will have the opportunity not only to learn and apply business accounting, but also to become industry certified in QuickBooks. You will also be able to learn international business processes, such as importing and exporting international marketing, cultural sensitivity, and globalization. The Business Professionals of America Club, also known as BPA, is also connected to the track and highly encouraged for our young entrepreneurs to begin making real-world connections. Track number 2 is computer science. This is considered the most rigorous of the 4 tracks because it has 2 AP classes included in it. While it is hard work, the foundation and knowledge gained will propel you to college readiness. You will start with the basics of how technology works, and will move into functions and arrays, and finally will focus on object-oriented programming in Java. These courses are also a good gauge for any student looking to enter into the computer science field. All I have to say is, get ready to code, code, code. Track number 3 is digital video production. In this track, you will enter the world of multimedia and technology. You will enjoy learning and gaining hands-on experience in the production process. Over the past couple years, the students in this program have won over 100 awards, and the instructor was just nationally recognized by the National Liberty Museum, receiving the 2021 Teacher as Hero Award. Adobe Premiere Pro is the industry certification you'll be working towards. From day one, we are focused on resume building to get you into the program of your choice. We have been extremely successful. Our graduates have been accepted to UF, FSU, SCAD, and NYU. Track number 4 is Scientific Visualization, also known as SciViz. In this track, you will learn how to 3D model. You see items in your surroundings or in your imagination, and then you will create them on the computer using industry-used software known as Rhino. Those items you create can be 3D printed and taken home. The lab has 6 3D printers and a laser engraver that are run and managed by the students. In this track, you will also be able to take your 3D models and put them into the virtual reality and augmented reality headsets. We currently have 1 HTC Vive, we have an Oculus, we have 4 HoloLens 1s and 2 HoloLens 2s. The goal is for you to be creative and excited when it comes to 3D modeling. The goal is for you to learn while playing and play while learning. Guys, right here, this is, so in this right here, we're very careful. This is the heart right here. No. Right here. Right here. Yeah. Thank you for watching.
Hi, my name is Jill Samaru. I am one of the assistant principals here at Pompano Beach High School. The PBHS Magnet theme is International Affairs with Information Technology. Our school not only is cutting edge with our technology initiatives, we are also proud of all the international relationships we have built over the past 9 years. Every other year, our school hosts an international summit. We invite students, teachers, and administrators from our partner schools to visit and collaborate with our students for a week. While visiting, our guests attend classes with our students, share presentations on their culture, school, and home life, collaborate on a variety of projects, and our students' favorite part of the week, each school performs a cultural showcase.
I admire the growth and the allure.
Jak ja mogłam Cię wypuścić z rąk, Mamma mia, teraz wiem już.
Although most enriching experience throughout the week is that our guests all stay in the homes of our very own PBHS students. So not only do our students here on campus get to experience our summit, but also our families. It is a week our entire school looks forward to. This event started in 2012 with only 3 students and 2 adults. Last year, we hosted our first virtual summit, which included 15 countries with over 130 students and 25 adults. Through these partnerships, our students have been able to travel abroad to strengthen our relationships with our partner schools. Since 2013, we have traveled to Sweden, Finland, Costa Rica, Poland, China, France, Spain, Italy, Switzerland, Ireland, and the United Kingdom. Unfortunately, we have not been able to travel the past 2 years. However, we are excited that this spring we will be welcoming students from Germany and Poland. The international exchange trips and our international summits have been life-changing experiences and just another aspect that makes PBHS so unique and special. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Mrs. Lurbs. I am the head of the World Language Department at Pompano Beach High School. Our school is a magnet for international affairs with information technology. Therefore, world languages are an important component of our curriculum. We offer Mandarin Chinese, French, Spanish, and Spanish for Spanish speakers, with a variety of native and non-native teachers, as well as nationally board-certified teachers. Students at our school must graduate with 3 years of a foreign language, so that they are at a conversational level when they leave our school. This puts them on par with state college requirements regarding language credits. However, we encourage our students to continue with Level 4 or AP classes to prepare them further for the global marketplace. We look forward to working with your children so that we can make their education the best it can be.
Good afternoon, students, parents, and guardians. My name is Lieutenant Colonel Johnson. I'm the lead instructor here at Pompano Beach's Junior ROTC program. I teach along with First Sergeant Chevres. What is JROTC? It is a life skills course where you will learn to develop your leadership abilities. If you like to challenge yourself to be the best that you can be and to help others to be the best that they can be, then JROTC is for you. As your leadership skills grow, you will be rewarded with higher rank, a higher place in leadership positions, and earn awards. As a cadet, you will plan and participate in multiple community projects like our one and only Fallen Hero Ceremony, where we honor fallen service members with an ocean of flags and a moving program. We have various extracurricular teams that you can be a part of, like one of our drill teams, or our Raiders athletic team, or on our academic team. We also have STEM teams like robotics and computer cybersecurity. Some of the other benefits of being in JROTC is getting tons of community service hours. You can also earn free college elective credits and be a part of the JROTC family. I hope to see you next year in the JROTC family.
Good evening, future tornadoes. My name is Jason Frey, coach, athletic director, and teacher here at Pompano Beach High School. And I am excited for the opportunity for you to apply and to get in here to Pompano Beach High School. Here in Pompano Beach Athletics, we are all about a couple of things. Number one, compete on the court and in the classroom. In the game of life, the competitor is the one who wins. We also believe that no man is more important than the team. No coach is more important than the team. The team, the team, the team. If we think that way, each and every single one of us, nothing will not be accomplished. So tonight when you're sitting here going through, thinking about what school should I go, I say go to Pompano Beach High School. I would like to see you on the field. I would like to see you guys in the classroom. I look forward to meeting each and every single one of you next year to be part of my team, to be part of this team. I want to see you in this logo. Pompano Beach High School is the only choice.